Hello guys, hope you're doing great. Ever looked at your desktop and thought, man, this is getting a little boring. What if you could turn it from this into this? And the best part is, it's actually way easier than you might think. Just follow along with me step by step, and together we'll build this clean, minimal, and seriously good-looking desktop setup. One quick favor before we get started. If this video helps you out, make sure to drop a like and let me know what you think in the comments. It really helps. All right, let's get into it. First things first, make sure you've hidden all the desktop icons. Trust me, it makes a huge difference and gives everything a much cleaner look. Once that's done, head over to the link in the description and download a program called Lively Wallpaper. Go ahead and install it. The setup is pretty straightforward and only takes a minute. After installing it, open up the app and we're gonna add a live wallpaper to our desktop. I've already included the wallpaper file for you, so you don't need to search for anything. You'll find all the files I used in the Telegram and Discord channels. I've left the links in the description, so just grab them from there and you're good to go. Give it a few seconds to apply everything. And there we go. Honestly, this is probably one of the best looking wallpapers I've ever used. Now let's move on to the next step, Rainmeter. Just head over to the link in the description, download it, and install it like you would any other program. Once you launch Rainmeter for the first time, you'll notice a few default widgets already sitting on your desktop. Just right-click on each one and select Unload Skin. Now for the important part. Take the two Rainmeter files I've provided and copy them into the exact folder I'm about to show you on screen. Just follow along with the path I'm using, paste the files there, and you'll be all set. All right, let's jump back into Rainmeter. Go into the AGO folder, find Date and Time, and simply double-click it to load it onto your desktop. Once it appears, position it roughly where I'm placing mine on the screen. The goal here is to make it look like the clock is sitting behind the rock, almost blending into the wallpaper itself. I've already customized the colors, sizing, and overall styling for you, so it should look great right out of the box. But if you want to tweak things and make it your own, you absolutely can. Just open the skin settings, and from there you can adjust the colors, size, transparency, and pretty much anything else you want. Now let's open up the second skin pack we added earlier. This one is all about quick access to your favorite apps. Go ahead and choose whatever applications you use the most, then add them to your desktop. Personally, I'd recommend sticking to apps you use every day. That way the setup stays clean and actually makes your workflow faster. For me, these are the apps I use the most, so that's what I'm adding here. Alright, moving on to the next step. Head over to the link in the description and download Jack's Core for Rainmeter. Install it, launch it, and then open the library section. From there, look for modular players and download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just walk you through the setup. First, head over to the General section, then select this skin right here and activate it. Once it's enabled, you'll have access to all the customization options down below. If you want your desktop to look exactly like mine, feel free to copy the same settings I'm using on screen. Of course, you can also play around with the options and make it fit your own style. And that's pretty much it. There's only one final thing left to complete the setup, Windhawk. I've already made a dedicated tutorial covering everything you need to know about it, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. I also have another video where I show how to customize your cursor, upgrade Windows Explorer, and make a bunch of other quality of life improvements. Seriously, don't skip those videos. If you're into customizing Windows and making your setup feel unique, I think you'll get a lot out of them. Alright, for the final touch, let's jump into Windhawk. Search for Taskbar Styler and go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, select this exact theme that I'm showing on screen. And that's it. Our desktop setup is officially complete. Honestly, this is hands down one of the cleanest and best looking desktops I've ever built. Everything feels minimal, organized, and actually useful instead of just looking good for screenshots. I'm genuinely happy with how this one turned out. Now, I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts down in the comments and let me know if you're going to try this setup yourself. And that's our clean, minimal desktop. Dude, if you've made it this far, hit that like button right now to make my day, and don't forget to subscribe. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.